everything changed when I stopped watching YouTube tutorials on how to wheelie. All of a sudden, I started getting consistent. Listen, that wasn't my story, okay? I know that's someone's story, but it wasn't for me. My story kind of went like, I got 1,000 cc's. I wanted to learn how to wheelie. I started popping it up. Had about 1 or 2 close calls and said, hold up. This ain't gonna go well. I'm out here guessing. I don't know what I'm doing. I said, you know what? Let me find someone in my city who I can get in contact with, who knows how to wheelie, who's really good at it. I hit him up and he showed me step by step. So I had an in-person, I had a real teacher, okay, and I was a student. I didn't even bother going to YouTube because I know in the past, I've seen YouTube tutorials and I watch the tutorials, right? And they make it seem so easy, like it's just 3 steps. Pop the throttle, pop the clutch, pop it up, hit the rear brake, right? They make it sound 1, 2, 3, done. And I'm like, I'm still confused, right? I'm still confused. So when I actually did get a bike and I was actually learning, I never saved it in my mind. I never archived it as, oh, this is the time to go back to that YouTube video I saw, because it made so much sense. Like, listen, as a rider who can wheelie and who has full control, and looking at those YouTube videos now, it's like, bro, that would never work, okay? For one, there's so many different videos and everyone is saying something different, and then everyone is on a different bike, and then they're trying to make it seem like one size fits all. Like, there's so many different scenarios and situations that a rider could be in that would make it useful for them or not. Like, if you take something that's not meant for you and you try it, it could get you hurt, or it could just get you like not the results you're looking for. You're just like, oh, I'm trying it, why is it not working? Well, it probably doesn't apply to you. Okay, there's different techniques for different bikes, and then there's different approaches that you should be using according to the skill level you at, the experience level you have, or just where you are in the process. You can be an extremely experienced rider, but like, you're starting this new skill, so you're on a certain stage where, you know, the approach and the technique, it just kind of slightly changes. So to put out one video and then everyone is trying to use it and everyone thinks it's for them, and no one has the discernment because they're all newbies looking for help. So, you know, that was just what I noticed as a rider who has full control, who can wheelie. Looking at these YouTube tutorials, it's like, bro, this would never work. And if it works for someone, it's like they're that lucky person that it worked for. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, YouTube tutorials was never part of my story, okay? I went straight to, okay, what's the most logical way to learn this? In the position, I knew I didn't know what I was doing. I was like, okay, let me find someone that knows how to do it. You know, I have a program, the link is in the bio, but if you want, just find guys in your city. There's always that small group of guys that do stunts and do wheelies. You know, that's all they do, and they've mastered it. You know, go watch them, observe, don't get in their way, but watch them. Learn from them, ask questions, sort of try to befriend them. And listen, to be honest, people don't really like riders that aren't really putting in the work, but if you really are serious about it and you're putting forth the effort and they can see that, they're gonna be willing to help you, you know what I'm saying? But like, if you're just like, a lot of guys, they wanna show off, they wanna do wheelies when they really haven't practiced it. They really haven't taken it serious. They just wanna shine, they just wanna flex. you will not be liked, okay? You want to be the guy that observes, he watches, he asks questions, and he practices in an appropriate way where people can see him taking it seriously. You know, he's not on the freeway trying to do his first wheelie. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not respectable. Putting everyone at danger and stuff like that. So little things like that, man, that's how I got in. You know, that's how I learned. I went to stunt riders. I went to guys that were really good at it. And I was like, can you teach me? I want to learn. I never went to YouTube. Never. Okay? Because everyone has seen those videos pop up where it's like, how to wheelie in 5 minutes, how to wheelie in 3 steps. And you click on it, you never go, oh, I know how to wheelie. Like, you never have a lot of clarity. You're still like confused on a lot of stuff. And really, it's a skill that is simple once you got it down, but there's definitely a lot of details that go into it that if you miss, it can get you in trouble or it could just keep you from progressing. Like, there's a lot of details to most things. The details, it's in the details. So, like I said, man, if you want to really learn it, you need to get around people that's doing it. That's how you do it, not YouTube, okay? So, that's how you do that.